from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2000, well actually I should say the May 2019 Motor Menders Friday Night Cruise at the Markets of Shrewsbury. We're checking out Wayne's home built creation here. This is all fiberglass. Wayne started it in 1959, correct?
Correct.
And you had it on the road by when?
Oh, by the middle of the summer in 1960.
That's great. That is great. Now, of course, dual headlights were legal then, and that was the whole big thing. Well, where did you get your headlights from?
That was 58 Chevy.
58 Chevy. And the grill is?
I made the grill.
That's great. Oh my gosh. And you did all the fiberglass work yourself, yes. Laid it out yourself?
Yes.
Oh, that is great. And then you built it on a 51 Ford chassis.
Yeah.
Very good. You got the 283 under the hood. Oh, that is beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, you were saying that this winter you chopped the front end out?
I cut the 51 Ford suspension and steering and all that out and replaced it with a Mustang 2 suspension.
Very good.
That, makes it handle a lot better.
Oh my gosh, I could only imagine. This is quite a project. How does she drive?
Not bad.
This is beautiful. I gotta get all the angles here. Very, very nice. Now, what kind of weird stories have you accumulated? Because driving this girl, you really must... What is that?
I don't know. It's been a part of my life for what, soon 60 years? 60 years. And there's been a lot of years that it just sat in the garage.
Yeah.
And with no activity. So.
Well, life happens. I'm glad that you finally got her on the road and that you got her safe. That is great.
Yeah.
Just a beautiful job. I cannot, seriously, I cannot believe that you actually did all the fiberglass work in your garage.
Yeah, yes.
Wow. Beautiful dash. That is a nice piece of wood. Not just a piece of plywood. I like that.
No, it's not just a piece of
that
plywood.
That is gorgeous. What is it made out of?
It's English walnut.
English walnut. Oh, what a beautiful. That thing must be what, about a ½ inch, 3/4 inch thick?
3/4 inch thick.
3/4 inch.
Thereabout, yes.
Wow. Just beautiful. And you've got the 4-speed in there. Very nice. I gotta pull back. Oh, this is beautiful, Wayne. This is something else. This is gorgeous. It's got a functioning trunk.
Yes.
Wow. Better than the Jaguars and whatnot of its age. Oh, gorgeous. Now, you don't have a top for it, I see.
I do not.
No.
I got it. If it rains, I gotta hurry home.
Yes, or go very fast. Either or. So, this is beautiful. Now, tell me the truth. Have you ever been dicing with anybody on the road? No. Okay.
No, I don't. That's really not my, it's not
okay.
my thing.
Okay.
My thing.
Thing is, your car looks so cool. It's great. It's a reconstructed title. Where did you get the windshield?
That's a first generation Thunderbird.
Ah, 2-seater bird. I like it. Fits well. This is beautiful. Wayne, I really appreciate the walkabout, and I really appreciate your car. This is wonderful. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019, May 2019 Motor Menders Friday Night Cruise. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows. Thank you, Wayne.